All right, guys, it's still pretty early. The sun's still coming up. Anyway, yeah, I've been peeping around here at this tot lot for a few, and I got a couple pennies, and then this is gonna be my first jewelry target here. Gold looking earring. Cool. We got it. Still got the back on it too. All right, turn you back on if I find something else here. Man, that little guy was making so much noise. So small. Little tiny bead. Got it though. All right, let's see what's right here. Oh, we lost it already. And just like that, it is gone. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's another one of those little beads. Check it out. Dang, they're so small. Well, that's two. Let's see if we can find some more of them. I'll turn you back on in a minute. Probably a penny or something. Let's see. Oh, nope. It's a dime. Those always throw me off. All right, I think I found another ring. Again, man. I'm hoping that's what it is. You guys see it? Boom. Oh, check it out. It's like a cool color. Dang. Got another ring. We're on a roll. Sweet. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, so we're like in this little seating area. We got a pull tab. And then we just got a key. I'm just using the pinpointer under here because I can't fit the detector under there. So yeah, waving the wand around, see what we can find. Back at you when I find something else under here or somewhere else on the tot lot. Cool. Let's see what this is. Where'd you go? Is that it? Yep, I guess it's just a busted up penny. Oh, look at that, right on the surface. It's bike bearings. All right, we're gonna go to the second section of a tot lot, and there's a basketball court, just far from where we were just at the other part of the playground. There's also a volleyball court here, so check that out, and I'll get back with you on my first target when we find something good. All right. Well, we just got this. I got a nickel and a dime out of the volleyball court. You ever seen anything like this? I don't know what this is. It says BMS 9mm. Is it a blank? I don't know. Interesting. Ah, we found a bluey. Yeah, actually, the name Yodi is actually the name of my dog, and yeah, she's a bluey. Well, anyway, yeah, we got it. It's squishy and gross. All right, still in the volleyball court. Look at this thing. Some kind of 4-way splitter. maybe something for some air, or I don't know. It's got an S on it. Cool, we got it. All right, gonna do around the basketball courts here. But ground here is pretty dry, so yeah, we'll see. I found a ring over here before, on the other side of the court, but yeah, we'll see if we can find anything here, if we could even dig it out, because it's so hard. But yeah, back with you. All right, it seems kind of soft right here. I don't know, it might be the bottle cat. Let's check it out. Oh no, it's a quarter. Sweet. We got it. All right, let's see what that is. Might be a pull tab. I think I saw it already. Yep, there it is. Pull tab. All right. A little beat up, but we got a Oreo crock jib. Funny. Check it out. Boom, it's hecka small. It says made with love. Probably can't read that anyway. It says it on both sides. Hecka small. Cool. We got another little heart. Let's check it out. Boom. It's like a little sizer one, and it's coming apart. Let's see if we can keep it together. Cool, we got it. Probably breaking my bag. Dang. Look at that thing. That's rusty bullet. Crazy. Anyway, we got this one out of here, so that's good. Nice. Got a little bell. Sweet. Well, I think we're done with this park. So, gonna head home and give you guys the wrap up. But there's one more park that's on the road to the way to the house, so maybe we'll go there. If there's nobody there, I'll stop. If there's people, I'm not stopping anyway. So yeah, back with you in a few. All right, we're back from the park and tot lot that we did earlier today. So we got all those pennies there. We got 4 dimes, 2 nickels, and 3 quarters. We got that weird big old pipe thing, or maybe, I don't know what it is. I have no clue. We got a lighter, works. We got a key, padlock key or something. Broken buckle there. And this thing, I'm guessing it's like probably some kind of a, maybe laser pointer or something. Light, I don't know. Does it look like a bullet, I guess? And then one bead, I can't find the other one. It's probably stuck in the crevice of my fines pouch somewhere, or it fell out. I don't know. Maybe it's around. And then this other cruster bullet. Dang, look at that. And then our bluey, and then our little crock jibs, Fender extra heavy guitar pick, and then we have this little bell, and we got an airplane going over, and we have this earring here. It's got the back on it still. Cool, pretty light. And then this ring here. Pretty cool. And then I told you it would break off. I also lost that other pieces. Like I said, it's probably in the bag too, shoved in a crevice somewhere, maybe. But yeah, so we got those. Definitely over 70 rings now. It's like 73 or 74 or something like that. But that's what we got. Oh, and then a little bit of trash, not much. All right, cool. Thanks for watching, guys.